Assalamualaikum everyone. Today with a new scholarship video. Today video is about University of Miami STEM scholarship, which is recently announced in USA, and it's the year you have to apply 2026. Today we talk about this scholarship, and first of all we discuss about its detail, and then we go for that how you can apply on it and where you have to apply on it. You can see that this is the main page of the website where they mention about the undergraduate admission. This scholarship is basically for the undergraduate students, but for the graduate students they can apply also. But I will show you that they where they can apply that. But these scholarships are known as STEM scholarship. The STEM scholarship is UM most prestigious merit award available to students at the University of Miami. This scholarship is awarded to exceptional and academically accomplished high school seniors and high school seniors which are intermediate pass. Everybody know that. Okay, now we discuss about its detail that what kind of benefit you will get in this scholarship. The STEM scholarship include tuition and fee on campus, housing, a meal plan, university health insurance, textbook, a laptop allowance, and access to a 12,000 enrichment fund. No, this is the main website. I did not make a presentation. I directly moved toward the website that I can show you that what kind of benefit you will get in this scholarship. You can see that your tuition fee is totally waived off. You will get the on-campus housing, a meal plan, and university health insurance. They will also provide you textbook and laptop allowances and access to a $12,000 as an enrichment fund. This fund basically is provided on the base of your criteria that what kind of merit on the merit you will get the scholarship, which may be used award toward the abroad undergraduate research, unpaid internship, and other educational pursuit. Enrichment fund expenses are subject to prior approval by the office of the provost. Okay, these are the basically scholarship benefit that you will get that. Additional benefit of the STEM scholarship include the being a part of the STEM scholars on campus and national communities, funding to support academic and scientific research projects, and cultural and leaders program, study abroad, convention, and other regional conferences, and invitation to online events. After that, you can see that the eligible criteria they show that their last date is almost late January 2026 that you can apply in this scholarship at that time. Okay, these are some of the terms and conditions you can look at on this web page. I will attach this page to the video description that you can easily get the information from there. Okay, before going to the main portal, I want to show you something here more. These are honors and scholars program. If you come on on the academic side, they will show you these honors scholars program and graduate program, and there you can see their global business studies program, advanced program for integrated science and math, health professional mentoring program, food fellow honors program, and the MNC program. And the graduate students can come on here and they will get and apply on this program. They can show that there are almost 100 majors and program ranging from accounting to the theater arts. The University of Miami will help open your eyes all sorts of possibilities and guide you down the road to success. So you can come on the on this web page. If you see on the main page this one, you have to come on the academics, and on the academics you have to click on honors and scholars program, and here you can get the graduate students only master, not PhD. A master students can get the information from here, and they have a separate scholarship, but this scholarship stamp scholar, this one is basically only for the undergraduate students. Okay, now we move toward the where you have to apply. You cannot apply directly to the Miami University. They have a third party where you have to make an account and have to apply there. Let's look at the where you have to where you can make an account. Here you can see that University of Miami, apply for first year and apply for transfer. You can also apply for transfer. And one more thing I wanna mention you here. If you want to anything waived off like a IELTS and application fee, this is the main website. You can read the evaluation must be sent to the University of Miami directly from the service listed below. The English letter which you get from your school or from your college, you have to directly send to the university, and then if they their criteria pass that, done that one, you are waived off from the IELTS. And also I will tell you about the fee, that how you can waived off from the fee. Okay, okay. Okay, this was University of Miami. This is basically a common app. This is a third party they where you have to apply in the university. If you are first year, you are new student, you can apply here. If you are doing a transfer, you can click on it here. Because before going to there, I wanna show you some more information here. What kind of academic program the Bachelor scholarship, a STEM scholarship in USA they are offering, like arts and design, business, communication, economics, education, engineering, finance, accounting, government, political sciences, liberal art, music, nursing, and everything. Almost all of the program they are offering here. And if you want any kind of information like first year student admission website, you can click it here. Financial website, you can check the financial and scholarship on this website. And for the transfer student, you they can click it here. The transfer student is basically for the domestic peoples. If they are doing a transfer from one university to other university, they can go part there. And application information, you can check it here. If you click on a first year student, here you can see that the most important thing is non-native English speakers are required to submit TOEFL, IELTS, Duolingo test score unless they meet one of our waiver admission Miami. You can click it here. You can check that, check it there, that how you can waived off from the IELTS or TOEFL score. Mostly what happen, if your last degree is totally in English, or your government give you a equivalent certificate of your degree that this degree is totally in English, then you can waived off from the IELTS. It's a normal thing, everybody know that. I don't need to explain these things here. Okay. Okay, now the most important thing is that what kind of documents you need to apply in this scholarship. I wanna show you some information about the documents here. Okay, first of all, you have to fill out the common application online. I will show you that how you can apply, fill out. Okay, now this is the very important part. Upon submitting, you will ask to pay $70 non-refundable application fee. But when we apply in the school, in the university, in this app, there is an option that if your income is less than the USA household income, then you can waive off from the app. And now what you have to do, you can visit your district office or your union council in your area, and you can ask that I have to apply for a scholarship, please give me a income application form. So you can mention the income about your father, your mother, and your brother. The yearly income should be less than the US household income, then you will be waived off. And you have to upload that document in the application. So you have to remember that thing again and again. If you did not watch a video clearly, you cannot understand what I am saying. Otherwise, you just put a comment, or it is you are lying, you give a wrong information. Until you get the information, it's a wrong. Okay, and what other thing are, you need a previous degree test score, complete school report, letter of recommendation, submit educational activities, complete international financial education form. Okay, this form is very important. This international financial form will waive off your application fee. Submit financial aid documents such as father income and tax return bill. These bills also help you to waive off from the $70 fee. If you mention this one there that you are belong to, from a poor family, and you are not eligible to pay for a fee, then you are waived off from the you will be waived off from it. Okay, now we move toward this one. The student who are new first year student, they have to click on that, apply for a first year. After apply on it, they will show you this kind of page. And what you have to do, first of all, you have to click on a create account. After create account, they will ask you are first year student, transfer student, educational professional, or parent, or other. So you are a first year student, you have to click it here. And after that you have to create your account. So it's easy. So now we move toward the login, because I already have account here. Okay, after signing, you have to search your university because we are applying in Miami STEM scholarship. So you have to search a college like a Miami college. Or you can, I already searched it here. You can see the University of Miami. Okay, what you have to do that first of all, you can add your application here. These are the common application. Like if we click on the profile here, one by one, you have to add all of your information like your personal information, your address, your contact detail, your demographic, your language. In the language they didn't ask you any kind of I'll show you there. They didn't ask any kind of IELTS here. You can waive off from it. And I also show you that number of language you are proficient, you can mention it at three. And also you can choose other information here and continue language proficiency. Okay, the important thing I want to show you here, common app fee waiver. Basically university or this scholarship didn't require any kind of fee. Only this fee is required by common app because it's a third party. In a USA or a Europe scholarship, if you apply through the third party, you have to pay a fee. What you have to do now, do you meet one or more of the common app fee waiver eligibility, you can click it here. And after that fee waiver, you have to write your name. I would like to connect with the U type mentor. You can click it no and continue, and your application will be filled out, and this will be sent out to the university that this student is not willing to pay a fee. And what kind of, you can see that you are enrolled or eligible in a, you can read all of the laws here and which law is applied on you. You live in a federal subsidized public housing, you are enrolled in a federal, state or local program that aids students, you have received or eligible receive, and you can provide supporting statement from a school official, college counselor, financial aid officer, or community. This one you can do. You can simply ask your school or college that write a letter for you that this student is poor and she cannot pay a fee. So they will, if they will waive off your fee. So it depends on you that how you can make your documents. Okay. So okay, why I'm showing you these things, that I'm just want to solve your confusion if during your application. This is a common app application. If you make a profile here, you can apply on a multiple scholarship on this website. Okay, let's move toward the, click on home. How you can add your college, click on college search, and here you can just click on Miami. After clicking on Miami, they will show you 7 to 8 result, and you have to choose a university which have a logo like this one. Okay, this is a Miami University undergraduate STEM scholarship information. So after some time they will show you some 7 to 8, and same you can see here this one. I already added, so I'm not going to add this one. So you have to add this one. Okay, Oxford also have a Miami University Ohio, but you have to add University of Miami with this logo. Just click on add; it will be added in your account. So let's move toward the dashboard. After that, click it here. Click on University of Miami. Okay, here they will show you that early action is on November 1. You this one is October, so you have almost 1st November, and early decision will be 5 and regular decision will be 5 January. So you have a regular decision on 1st November. Okay, so this part you have to add your all of the information. First you have to click on journal. In journal you have to write all of your information here. Yes or no, you can read all of the information. Please select which activity you spend 4 or more hours per week. So it depends on you that this one is academic. In the academic section, you can read all of the thing and click on that. I'm admitted to the University of Miami and decided to enroll. I would like to receive information about our pre-law community. Click on continue. After that, you have to write the family, and you have to write the information about your family. Okay, after that they will ask you about all information about your family, and then the writing. In the writing, basically they ask you some kind of SOPs. You have to write it that you have any kind of previous activities. You have to write all of the things here. Okay, and this one is a contact. You can share your contact, your family. Other one, this one you have to choose it no and yes or yes, and read all of the questions here. Choose yes or no, depends on what kind of information you are giving to the university program, and this is a special program. Are you interested in participating in the military ROC? You have to click it no and set continue. Disciplinary history, read all of the things here because it takes some time. Therefore I just showing you the way that how you can fill all of the application. Just read the things, you will know that what they are asking. If it's okay, you can click it okay, otherwise leave that one. Recommenders and recommenders are the people who will submit forms to college on your behalf. These pages show which recommended types this college need. Each college will have different requirements. Before you can continue your application, we need to know your current or most secondary high school because we did not add our education. ठीक. Okay, so I will show you that where you have to add this one. This one last part is the review and submit application. This one is basically your university application. You already added, but before this one, I show you that this one is my common app application. You have to add your profile, your family information, your education, your testing, your activities, your writing. This information will directly link with the Miami University application which we recently added. So they will give all of your educational activity, your testing activity, your writing writing capabilities. All of the things will be attached to the University of Miami, and they will get all of the information. Then they will show you that what kind of recommender you needed, and then you can get the recommendation letter directly from the school or college, or school or college will directly send the recommendation letter to the university. And after that you also have to make a financial letter that I cannot pay a fee because I belong to a poor family. The school authority will stamp on the letter, and you can attach that letter. Otherwise you have to pay a fee. But you, if you want to waive or free, you have to add the income application form from your union council or district office, and letter from your college or school. Then you are waived, you will be waived off from the fee. So you need to remember these things before putting any commit. If you give a rude commit or any illogical commit on the video, I will hide you from the channel. You will not get any kind of scholarship information in the future. So it depends on you that what you have to do. So share this video with your friend that they will get the information about this scholarship, or they can apply on this scholarship. So remember, be your prayers. Until that time, for the new video, Allah Hafiz.